Okay. Hello and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. My name is Aisatsu and today I'm going to be discussing YouTube automation. So I have my notes right here, so if you see me looking down, I just want to make sure that I hit all of my main talking points in this video. So, if you're a YouTuber, you probably know how time consuming it can be to manage your channel. But with the help of YouTube automation tools, you can start streamlining your work flow and free up more time to generate and create better content. So basically in this video, we're gonna be sharing a little bit of tips and tricks that I've used in the process of automating a YouTube channel. So first is video editing automation. So editing videos, I apologize, I'm playing with my hair a lot. I just want to look good for you guys. So video editing automation is the first talking point that I wanted to go over. And editing videos can be one of the most time consuming parts of YouTube channel if in my personal opinion. But with the help of some automation tools like Adobe Premiere Pro, Final Cut Pro, and Filmora, you can speed up the editing process quite a bit. These are tools that allow you to automate certain tasks like color correction, auto leveling, video stabilization, and by using these tools you can produce high quality videos in less time, which is always really nice. And some other tools that I like to consider are something for my SEO, which is search engine optimization. So before I even make a video, I want to find the title first and go based off of that, because ultimately in creating content, depending on what you're doing, I'm just speaking for me, it's really important to be offering some value or answering a question of sorts. And by knowing the title of the video ahead of time, you can then shape your video around creating a solution to whatever the title is. So this is something that I always like to do in practice. I think that it's good to practice doing it this way if you're specifically doing YouTube automation, because the ultimate goal with YouTube automation is more so to generate views and an audience, if that's your goal. So moving on to number 2, social media automation. So promoting your YouTube channel on social media is a great way to reach a wider audience, but managing multiple social media accounts can be a hassle, if you ask me, and that's where automation tools come in. So things like Hootsuite, if you've heard of that, Buffer, and MeetEdger. I don't know if I said that right. I've definitely used Hootsuite before, and mind you, a lot of these programs do offer free trials and little things and experiences and services you can try for free, but all of these obviously are paid for the most part if you want to be using some of their higher quality services. So I've used Hootsuite before for free, so I have a little bit of an understanding around what they offer. But there's also the 2 other ones that I mentioned. And you can schedule your social media posts in advance and automate the process of sharing YouTube videos on social media, which can save you a lot of time and effort. And you can do that with other things like Instagram, but I'm not going to talk about that in this video. If you want me to talk about that, I'll definitely make another video on how you can be more consistent and publish things consistently on different apps like Instagram, Twitter, Tumblr. I don't know who uses Tumblr anymore. I still use Tumblr. Anyways, let's continue on to number 3. So, analytics automation. Analyzing your YouTube channel's performance is crucial for growth. I look in my YouTube studio every single day. I have the app on my phone. Excuse me. Excuse me. I have the app on my phone, so I'm gonna show you it just so you know what I'm talking about when I say it. I'm not sure if it'll show up well on the screen. So here we go. So this is what I'm saying when I'm talking about the YouTube studio. And there's obviously a desktop version. They have an app on your phone that you can download, but manually tracking your analytics can be a tedious task. That's where like automation tools like vidIQ, which I use vidIQ, but there's also TubeBuddy, which I used to use a couple of years ago. I don't remember why I stopped. I think I just got into vidIQ and I've just been using it. But I like TubeBuddy too. Go ahead and check out TubeBuddy. I like to do different things, but I found that vidIQ works for me. I've just been using vidIQ. Okay, so these tools provide you with like insights into your channel's performance, including views, engagement, audience demographics, and if you're monetized, it'll show you things like your earnings and things of that nature. And by automating your analytics and tracking them, or like tracking or automating the tracking process of your analytics, you can quickly identify trends and make data-driven decisions for your channel, which can be valuable if that's something that you value. Next and last talking point is comment moderation automation. I don't really get enough comments to where I automate things. I've definitely got some things on my channel that I don't want, but I usually just go and delete them myself because, like I said, I don't get enough comments on my videos yet to need that. But for the purpose of the video, engaging with your audience is a very important part of building a strong community around your channel. But moderating comments can be time-consuming and sometimes overwhelming. That's where automation tools like YouTube's comment filters come in. These filters automatically hide comments that contain certain word phrases and make it easier to moderate your comments section in general. So I like I said, I don't get as many comments, so I don't have to utilize this. I probably have like 2 or 3 words blocked. But in conclusion, these were a couple tips and tools for automating your YouTube channel, and by using editing automation tools, social media automation tools, analytics automation tools, and comment automation tools, and you can save a lot of time and focus on creating better content for your audience by using these methods. So, and then lastly, I want to state that there's a lot of people, like, maybe you'll go on YouTube and you'll see like rain videos and videos where someone's not showing their face or their own voice. Even sometimes it's like a automatic voice. So these are all different forms of YouTube automation. I just touched like the surface. There's tons of channels that are automating their YouTube videos and making thousands, if not millions of dollars a month on their channel. And you can do it too. So that's really what I wanted to share with you. I have tried YouTube automation. If you look at my channel in a couple videos, I'll go ahead and just like leave it as a playlist afterwards after this video. But I see the future of YouTube automation going very far. It's already captivated the attention of a lot of people, including you, if you've gotten this far into the video. So I really like it. I think it's great for people who are not so much into showing their face or maybe using their voice, or maybe people who are into showing people visually their talents, like animation style content, things like that. So yeah, there you have it. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more helpful tips on finances and YouTube in general. And thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.